And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize and rearrange your home screen, the Samsung Galaxy A03. So if you want to open your home screen settings, just hold the finger on empty place on the home screen and hold this needle. You have a few options. We can start from wallpaper and style, so there is a place where you can change the wallpaper, of course, and the color palette. So how you can see now we have a green settings icon and we can check it. We can change it in this place. So for the orange, for example, and just click on the apply. And now you can see we have brown, orange accents in the settings, in the menu, etc. Okay. The next one, themes, works exactly same like a wallpaper, so it's obvious. Widgets. If you want to add any, just expand the shared app for that, like a Firefox, and just hold it, drop into your home screen. If you want to resize it, just use that little edge for that. If you want to remove the widget, hold the finger and just remove. That's it. Now we can go to the settings. You can see that we have the grids. If you want to change the amount of the application, the rows and in the columns, like this one. If you already click done, and that's it. And I think the last function is if you want to use the phone in the landscape mode in the home screen, just switch it on. And now we can rotate the screen. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.